practical masterclasses have been designed to enrich the study experience, to deepen practical knowledge and to support the networking element for our students. They are held at the end of week 4 in each unit, and they are 3-day in-person masterclasses which will give students a unique chance to engage in workshops and to network with their peers, with academics and with ICA experts.
The networking part is very important, I think, because it's a mixed experience. We are speaking about colleagues coming, we are around 16 or 17 colleagues coming from different jurisdictions. So it's good to know, especially I'm responsible for Europe, MENA and US, it's good to know what's going on for the updates or the best practices in these jurisdictions, even if I'm speaking about outside the pharmaceutical industry, which is mainly the finance and the legal. This is the first one. Plus, the level of speakers or who participated in the workshops gave us some insights about, for example, like yesterday, how to establish the dissertation in a systematic way, what's the question that you need to ask, what's the limitation, inclusion, or whatever. So the practical master class, I think that it's an added value to fine-tune the whole process itself. Yes, I can do it online completely without having these interactions or practical master classes, but I think that it's a big added value for me to understand outside the context of the material itself.
You have the residential weekends. You get again to meet professionals, experts. We've had some fantastic external speakers, particularly this weekend, and I get a lot out of the sessions we have here. You get a lot of guidance from the supervisors on the next sort of module that you're trying to attack. And also you make friends and you make people that can sort of not only help you with your studies but also potentially with career development as well.